हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को और प्रेस करें बेल आइकन को ताकि इंग्लिश फेरी के सभी क्लासेस के चैप्टर्स का हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का संपूर्ण सॉल्यूशन डिटेल्स में आपको नोटिफिकेशंस सभी वीडियो का मिलता रहे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम सभी क्लास 7 का पोएम डोंट क्विट का क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें से रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में है ए आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस विद इन 20 वर्ड्स ईच, जिसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हाउ डू डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस मेक अ पर्सन फील एट टाइम्स। तो आंसर हो जाएगा डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस मेक अ पर्सन फील शाई एज इफ ही हैज नो होप एंड वरी इज प्रेसिंग हिम डाउन। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है व्हाई डज द स्पीकर कॉल लाइफ स्ट्रेंज। आंसर हो जाएगा द स्पीकर कॉल्स लाइफ स्ट्रेंज बिकॉज इट हैज मैनी ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स एज वेल एज अप्स एंड डाउन्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रेस्ट if you must but don't you quit. What does the speaker mean by rest in this line? आंसर हो जाएगा the speaker means by rest in this line that we may take rest for a while but we must not quit. B. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words each, जिसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है When does the road seem uphill? आंसर हो जाएगा The road seems uphill when things go wrong in our life and we imagine that our goal is very far beyond with us. Question number 2. What advice does the speaker give when worries put too much pressure on us? आंसर हो जाएगा When worries put too much pressure on us, the speaker gives us advice that we may take rest for a while, but we must not quit and we must continue our work again. Question number 3. What does the speaker say about failure? Answer हो जाएगा about failure, the speaker says that it is not an end of life, but it is beginning of life. He also means to say that failure is the key to get success. Question number 4. Can the pace of our life remain steady always? Give a reason for your answer. तो आंसर हो जाएगा No, the pace of our life cannot remain steady always because we all, while attempting to achieve our goals, get failure many times, but efforts made continuously give us success. Question number 5. Why does the speaker ask us not to give up even if the pace of our progress seems slow? आंसर हो जाएगा The speaker asks us not to give up even if the pace of our progress seems slow because we have ups and downs in our life, but we should not quit when things get worse. We need to continue our work to get success. Question number C. Answer these questions in 80 to 100 words, जिसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है The poem is inspirational and motivating. Give examples from the poem to support the statement. आंसर हो जाएगा The poem is inspirational and motivating because it tells us that we should not lose our hope. We should work hard to fetch our success. It also tells us that success is very near to us, but it seems to be far away from us. So it is when things get worse, we must not quit. Sometimes we meet with obstacles, but we must face those obstacles bravely and boldly to get rid of them. Question number 2. Do you think the title Don't Quit justifies the theme of the unit against all odds? Think of an alternative title for the poem, giving a reason for your answer. तो आंसर हो जाएगा yes, I think the title Don't Quit justifies the theme of the unit against all odds. An alternative title for the poem can be Better Late Than Never, because it means that doing something late is better than not doing at all. Question number D. Read these lines from the poem and answer the questions that follow. 1. And many a failure comes about when he might have won had he stuck it out. जिसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है एक्सप्लेन दीज लाइन्स इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. आंसर हो जाएगा दीज लाइन्स एक्सप्रेसेस दैट फेल्योर्स ब्रिंग चेंजेज इन अवर लाइफ. आवर एम इज टू come out with flying colors. Unless one gets involved in his work, one cannot win. Question number B. What quality does the speaker advocate in these lines? आंसर हो जाएगा in these lines the speaker advocates the quality of being determined and aimed at our goal. Question number C. Give a reason why you agree or do not agree with the speaker. आंसर हो जाएगा yes, I agree with the speaker because one cannot achieve one's goal unless he gets involved in his work after failures. Second, success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. जिसमें से क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है What is the silver tint in the clouds of doubt? आंसर हो जाएगा the silver tint is hope in the clouds of doubt. Question number B. How can success be failure turned inside out? Explain. आंसर हो जाएगा success can be failure turned inside out as it is the fruit of failure that comes straight but through failure. Question number 6. Use the words tint and doubt in sentences of your own. आंसर हो जाएगा टिंट. यू हैव हैड अ टिंट ऑन योर हेयर. डाउट. नो वन डाउट्स दैट द मिशन विल बी अ सक्सेस. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो हम सभी डोंट क्विट पोएम क्लास 6 का क्वेश्चन आंसर डिटेल में डिस्कस किए. अगर आप सभी द फेरी इंग्लिश बुक के सभी चैप्टर्स का हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का सॉल्यूशन चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.